Hello friend and welcome to Heritage Ways. Welcome home. If you have never come across Heritage Ways YouTube or heritageways.com, then welcome. If this is your first visit, I'm Miss Katie, and Heritage Ways is where I share homemaking skills, primarily cooking. It has been my passion all of my life. I've always just had a heart for home even when I was a little girl. So I just share that heart for home with all of you diligent homemakers. So thanks for being here. Today we are going to open a package that I did not expect, but I was thrilled to get it. And as soon as I realized what it was, I knew I had to share it with you. So thanks for being here. YouTube and technology can be used for so much good. I know there's bad out there and negativity, but I choose to use social media and technology for good. And I'll tell you what, I have met some very dear people who've become dear friends of mine, both in real life and those that I plan to meet up with, Lord willing, someday. Well, one of those happens to be a lady who lives in Texas. I found her YouTube channel when we were full-time RVing, and I believe it was 2018. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it was in the fall, maybe. And I became number 189, subscriber number 189. I have no idea why and how I remember that, but I always have remembered that. This lady, bless her heart, has built such a community of well over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And I'm so thankful for her. I'm so thankful to the Lord for giving her the platform that He has and the messages that she shares of traditional foods. Well, yes, I'm talking about Mary at Mary's Nest. You probably already have guessed that if you already have found her channel, which I hope you have. I have her first book, which I purchased, and I have used several, I've read it, I have used several of the recipes, I've got some things marked, and it is such a wonderful resource. I'm so happy for her and thankful to her for creating this for us. And it's a hardback and it's just beautiful. Well, let's talk about what came in the mail on Friday, just a few days ago, which was actually my birthday. So that was kind of fun too. Modern Pioneer Pantry by Mary Bryant Schrader. Look at this. Let's put this aside. This is the name of her new book. Oh my, look at here, y'all. We have some goodies in here. I'm so thankful that I was considered to receive this. We have some different items that were sent in this box, items that I really, that I already use and I appreciate. Superb. I've done several things with them. Oh, some seeds from Survival Garden Seeds. Lemons, you know how much I love lemons and enjoy working with them. Then we have some other information in here. Oh, we have information about the businesses of those products. And then, I love this. Oh, it's just like, it was so fun for me to receive this, not knowing it was even coming. And on my birthday, my 58th birthday. I'm not ashamed to say how old I am. I'm thankful to be alive. Look at this. Look at this beautiful book. You just don't know how excited I am for my friend. Look at these volumes, y'all. Look how thick. I mean, it's hardcover. The pictures are beautiful. I haven't opened this book yet. I've opened the box, saw what it was, and I have not opened the book because I was waiting to do it with you. But I just want to show you, I mean, the pictures in this book alone are just colorful and bright and appealing and inviting. Modern Pioneer Pantry, a complete guide to preserving food. See, you can hear the crackle. I haven't even opened it until now. Haven't broken the binding. And of course I'm looking at it upside down right now, but oh my, I am so glad that we all have this knowledge that that our friend Mary right there in Texas Hill Country has taken the time and the energy to put that knowledge down in a beautiful volume such as this for all of us. So I am going to contact Mary, thank her for this, but I'm going to make sure that I understand how you can order the book. I'm going to put that information in the description box of the video so that you will know how to order this beautiful, beautiful volume. How beautiful is that gonna look on your shelf, my shelf? Modern Pioneer Pantry. Y'all make sure you check it out. If for some reason you haven't discovered my friend Mary's channel, Mary's Nest, I'll put a link down in the description box to that. I know you are going to be very blessed and learn a lot from her information that she shares. So I'm fixing to sit down and look through this book now that I have broken the binding with you, and I look forward to absorbing every morsel and then starting to use the book. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe, because if you have a heart for home, then you're in the right place. Welcome home. I'm Miss Katie with heritageways.com. Count your blessings, y'all.